Why, hello, Joseph. Hello. Do you know whose birthday it is today? Who's that? That's right. It's Pop's birthday. Yay. Oh, I heard something. What? I'm seeing some movement. It's you. Who's you? Where are my other boys? Where are your brothers? Ah! Who are you?
I am Double Baby Duo.
Wow, very cool.
Dad.
Dump, boom. But where is your other brother? I don't believe it. How could he fit in there? I thought he was a really big boy.
He not.
Is he not?
He got and he tanned it out.
Okay, he can't get out.
No, he can.
He can. Oh, it would be lovely to see him. Ooh. Where are you?
Yeah, I didn't. I am.
Come on out. We want to sing happy birthday to someone. Where's Dogtanian?
Yeah, I'm Double Baby. Hey.
Okay, all right, we'll get back in your box and maybe we'll just sing the song that we were going to sing. Get back in your box, Super Baby Killer Whale. You're going to sing the song. Get back in. So I guess Dogtanian's going to sing it from there. Ready? Here we go. Surprise. Surprise. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear old. Happy birthday to you and many more. Just kidding. We love you so much.
Well, just kidding. We love you so much. We that kidding. We that. Yeah. I want to jump in back here.
Okay, bye-bye now. Everybody say bye-bye.
Bye.